Gusto mo ba ng chika-ching? Chika tungkol sa cha-ching? Sige, meron akong story time. Okay, 9 months ago, halos wala pa akong resulta dito sa ating affiliate marketing business. Isa pa nga lang yata yung cha-ching ko noon eh. Ako pa yung nag-order just to test kung gumagana ba talaga yung system. Tapos, one day, nag-post ako ng 1,000 pesos earnings ko from a content creation challenge. Parang nanalo ako third place, paramihan ng views. Tapos, may nag-comment doon sa post ko na yon. And ang sabi niya, bagay ka maging advisor. I closed $7,000 this month. Tara na, sayang naman. Alam ko it was nothing personal, pero ramdam ko yung unspoken message na sayang ka dyan, dito ka na lang. And honestly, kung mahina yung loob ko noon, baka nag-switch ako. Or baka hindi ko na nakita itong moment na to. But I chose to stay planted. I chose to focus and I chose one path and went all in. And now looking back, God is truly faithful. The same path where I was doubted became the path where I was promoted. October 2025 was my biggest month so far. I earned almost 300,000 pesos, and if I convert ko yon in Canadian dollars, that's $7,500 din. 'Di ba? Who would have thought na marireach ko yung ganong earnings in 1 month? Na pinagdudahan ako kung kakayanin ng sistema, kung kakayanin ko, 'di ba? So, I just want to say, if you're in a season where people are doubting you, if comments make you question your decision, if results are still small, please don't give up. Pinagdasal mo to, di ba? May vision si Lord na binigay sa'yo nung nag-start ka. So don't let the noise from others take that away. Stay focused, stay planted, stay faithful. Kasi yung breakthrough mo, it will come. And hindi mo alam. Baka mas malapit na yan kaysa sa iniisip mo.